Welcome back. As I said in the other video, if you saw it, it's the smooth plate from Bambu Lab. It's well packaged, and I'm sure it's just a direct replacement. Bambu Lab. Get a knife out. Cool. There we go. Oh, exciting. Well packaged up, look. Oh, hello. Oh, look at that. Oh! Instructions with it. Yeah, you just got to take the plastic off both faces. Peel that off. Oh, nice. Now with PLA, glad I went to the original actually. With PLA, apparently you don't need to use any glue, so I've got a little thing I've drawn up, I'll show you later on in the next video. It needs to be smooth on the front face. I'm working on a little light box. So I'm going to whack this in now and we'll see if it works. And what I'm going to do, I'm print up this light box. It's got to be smooth on the front face, I think, while I've drawn it. So it could be textured, but I think with a smooth face it'd be nice. See if this works, shall we? Let's put it in the machine. Go downstairs, carry on the CAD drawing, and later on at the end of this, later on at the end of this video, we'll print this piece out that I've done. Bamboo smooth PEI plate. Let's whack that in, shall we? What I'll do for the next print, I'll do bed levelling as well. I'll take the textured one out, like so, and then put the smooth plate in. Keep it up at an angle until you hit the back. Down it goes. Oh, just slightly wonky. Oh, I'll redo that. I'm doing it one-handed. There you go. That's nice. As I say, I've just shut the door on the machine. The next print is going to be like a light box, a small light box. I'm working on. I'm just drawing up in CAD first, and I want the front face to be smooth. I think. Don't know yet. Put a smooth plate in. Apparently PLA, it doesn't need any glue. It doesn't need to be stuck down with anything. I have got some glue someone gave me. Bambu Lab glue. Apparently it lasts for ages, but I'm not going to use that. Apparently it's a bit messy, and you need that for other materials, I do believe. But at the moment, I think with PLA, I think you're fine without any glue. But let's see. I'll give it a go and that's what happens. At the end of this video, in the next clip, I say we're going to draw up a little light box. It's going to be black with a white insert in it with some lights in it. I think I'm working on at the moment. So I'll see how that goes. I'll make that as I go along, really, as normal with me. So let's finish my drawing off and press print and see what happens. I've got to take the caliper downstairs. I've got what one's this? This is a 300mm caliper. I'll put a link below to a 300mm caliper if you're interested on Amazon. If you use the link, it supports the channel, but you pay no more. I get a small piece of commission off of it, but really handy. I've got a couple of calipers. I've got a digital one, this one, a 300mm one. I've got a smaller 12-inch one, I think 6-inch one, sorry. This is 12-inch. 6-inch, is it 10? Yeah, 12-inch, yeah, 300mm 12-inch. I've got a 6-inch one, and I've got a plastic TMU one. Funny enough, someone moaned about the plastic TMU one the other day. Do you know what? It's the one I use the most. It's light as you like, throw it around, and it does the job for 3D printing. This obviously is the one you want really because it's got the two. It can do your 256 because the light box I'm working on at the moment is going to be a little bit bigger and it's going to take up most of the bed. So I want to sort of shoot downstairs. I've got a laptop downstairs. I'm drawing it up downstairs in Fusion. I've got a laptop downstairs, so I'll be drawing up downstairs while I'm watching a bit of TV, and in Fusion 360 I'll be using this to just get me bearings so I know what's what with the measurements, you know. Just you can sort of visualise it easier with a caliper. So I'll put a link below to a couple of calipers and bits and pieces you might need for your 3D printing journey. And I'll be back in a minute when this is printed and we'll just see what the surface comes out like. I'll see if it's acceptable to sort of use and maybe sell and market and promote on Etsy. So I'll be back soon. I'm back. The Bambu Lab app on my phone just announced that the printer's finished. That's with the smooth plate that I bought from Bambu Lab. The part I put on it, actually, I'm hoping it's going to be smooth. It's a Lightbox, like a sign that's going to have some LED lights in it that I've drawn up myself in CAD. I'll show that on the screen actually when I get a chance. But this is going to be my first look at a product that I've done. The plan is now to print the back and to print the white face, and there's going to be some LED lights in it. So I'll bring the camera in and show you. It's a black product, so it's a black 3D printed part. So it might be a bit awkward to see, but let's have a little look. I'm hoping the front face is going to be nice and smooth. We'll see. I'm not sure if there's going to be any imperfections. I'm not sure if it'd be better off textured or printed upside down or whatever. But let's bring the camera in closer and have a little look. Here we go. Now this is the new plate here. Probably the largest thing I've printed actually. It's stuck. I was looking at the corners, it's come out quite good. The idea is the magnets are going to go in those little holes there, and then there's going to be a lid on the back. Right, let's take it round to the desk and I'll take that off. Oh, as it works. Nice, nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Little stringy bits there, but it's come out nice. That has. That's lovely. That is really nice. I don't know if you can see how smooth that is. I mean, that's pretty good. I'm thinking of making this base a little bit thinner. That was 2.5mm, I think 3mm. It took a little while to print. But I don't know if you can see in the corners. I've made these little bits in the corners to support the tiny magnets. And now I've got to do a lid with similar that just pops in the back. And the idea is got a little 1mm rag on the corners. I mean, that is pretty good. I've got the black in there now, so I'm going to draw up, go downstairs and draw up the bit that goes in the base. If I can work out the measurements. Pretty much mirror it, copy it, slice it. The idea is I'm going to have double magnets. Magnet in there. 6 little magnets, and then it's going to light up, I think. The magnets I've bought, I think, 3x2. I'm just going to pop in tiny little things. A little corner there. Fold it off. That's nice. Pleased with that. That's my first part. Can you read that? Yeah. A few little marks, but that's my first part. 3D printed with a smooth plate from Bambu Labs. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I'll put a link below. Come out really nice. Little light box. The idea is put a white piece in the bottom there. 0.6 fin, I think. I've been reading up. 0.6 is about right to let the light through. That's the plan, and then I'm going to do a back on it. Obviously, if I had an AMS and multicolour system, I could do that in one hit, I think. But I think as I've got the black filament loaded already, I'm going to draw a plate up to fit in there and take a few measurements. And, yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. Let's jump on CAD now, draw up the next piece to pop it in. Magnets to turn up soon. I've got to drop 6 magnets in there and 6 magnets in the other thing, and then set it all together, I think. Right, I'm going to do that now, I think. Hello, welcome back. So here we go. This is what I've been working on. Almost finished. It's a bit of a play on the mugs that you can buy on Etsy. It's like using the Oasis font. Going basically means you go into the gig. Lightbox, 35mm deep. I think it's 150 long. Let's have a little look. Get the old caliper out. Oh, sorry, 235. 235 long. 105 high. 35 deep. Alright, launch that over there. There you go. Just need to glue them together, so let me just show you at the moment. I've got a few modifications to make, because I've got some lights in here. I want to show you something I was quite impressed with. I've edited the next model, so the next model will be a bit different from this one. I've moved the little holes for the magnets further in, so they don't foul on the edge of the part. There's a base, I don't know if you can focus on that base there, the back plate. Lights there, I'll show that in a minute. Oops, yeah. I'm well impressed with that. So this video basically was showing you how great the, well, I was doing a test really on the smooth plate that Bambu Lab sell. I mean, that's 0.6mm thin. I can't believe the way it's printed out. It's like there's the rough side there, the side up. In actual fact, the side up is rougher than the smooth side looks down. I mean, that's like incredible. I was surprised that never lifted, but the plate's brand new, so obviously it may alter at a later date. But anyway, so that's the box there. I mean, you can just see the little bits in the corners there for the magnets. That gets glued in there like so. Then your lights get glued in. They're not sort of out yet. Your lights will get glued to the back. So on the real model, the next model, I'll be making a little slot in the side somewhere for the lights to slot into, like a little cutout there. At the moment there's no cutout, or a little hole in the side, just so I can glue that somewhere in the corner. I might put it up there actually, in the corner, 0.6. You need to be access the batteries and the switch, so I need to put that up in the corner somewhere out of the way, just poking through the side. I've got to work on that yet. So basically what happens is you unfold all that, they'll go inside like so. It's got to be obviously going to be glued to this base with probably a glue gun, just up and down there, and that slots in with magnets. Probably a bit overkill actually, but the magnets are only cheap. They're coming through from Amazon tomorrow, I think. So 6 magnets to hold the base on, and I might do a little slot just so you can pick this base out because it's stuck in there. There you go. Well pleased with that. So basically this video was about the smooth plate that Bambu Lab sell, but also if you use a smooth plate on your Bambu Lab printer, let me know if you've got a cheap one off Amazon that works just as well. But I'm very, very impressed with that smooth plate so far. I think you just got to keep it clean. That's printing out lovely. It took a while. I was so impressed with that base. The 0.6 sheet. Lightbox. My first ever Lightbox. Took me a couple of hours to draw up, I suppose, in the end. I'm getting better. If you want me to do a video on how to show you how to sort of draw something like this up, let me know and I'll put one together, a little tutorial for you. Do the base and that. Didn't take too long actually. Thank you for watching, people. Please like, subscribe for many more videos. I'm just getting going at the moment, so I've been really, really busy, but I'm going to be putting some more videos out, 3D printing, publishing stuff, of course. Still got my whiskey barrels for sale. If you're interested on Etsy, I sold a few. I love these. So if you've got a little pub shed, you want a personalised whiskey barrel for your partner, boyfriend, girlfriend or whatever, or I've sold a couple with different messages on, which is quite nice. Let me know. Light boxes I'll probably put on Etsy, I think, for sale, or on my Shopify site. There'll be a link below to these. My first one, as I say, but just got to do a little cutout on this, on the next model. As I say, I moved the holes further in so it doesn't foul the edge. And I've got to do a little cutout for the light switch somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Comments welcome. Please like, subscribe, and put some comments below if you want me to do some tutorials on how to do something like this, or the barrels or something like that. Let me know. I'll put them together. Thank you very much. Ta-da.